How to secure your Binance account using Passkeys. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are using the Binance app and want to secure your account with a passkey, first of all, open the Binance application on your device, whichever device you are using. It can be a mobile device, it can be a tablet or iPad. Just go ahead and open up the app and sign into your account. Once you're signed into the homepage of Binance, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal menu button at the top left corner. Once you're inside this page, go ahead and tap on your username from the top, and then under account info, tap security. Inside security, tap on the passkeys or the biometrics option, and then on the next page, tap on add passkey. Now, depending upon your device's type, verify your identity with your device's fingerprint, Face ID, or screen lock when prompted. Click the Continue button in the pop-up. Go ahead and enter your device's code or scan your Face ID or your fingerprint. This varies according to the device's type you have. Now, go ahead and verify one more time by entering the code, and you have successfully enabled Passkey on Binance. Once the setup is complete, you'll be able to sign in using your passkey on supported devices instead of entering your password. So that's it. You've successfully secured your Binance account with a passkey. You can now enjoy a faster, more convenient, and highly secure sign-in experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.